Python numbers. There are three different types of numeric numbers in Python. We have one, the integer. We also have floating numbers, and we have complex numbers. Variables of numeric types are created when you assign a value to them. I will show that with an example. To verify the type of any object in Python, you use the type function. I will also show that with an example. We also have the integers, or the int is a whole number, positive or negative, without decimals, of unlimited length. Floating numbers, on the other hand, is a number that is positive or negative, containing one or more decimals. Lastly, we have the complex numbers, which are written with a j as the imaginary part. For example, I am going to showcase the different types of Python numbers, that is the floating numbers, we have the integer numbers, and we have the complex numbers. Let me just create this file in Python to showcase each and every number. We have started by integer. For integers, we have said that they are variables of numeric types which are created when you assign a value to them. For example, I can say x equals to 1. For an integers, I'll say x equals to 1. This is a whole number. For our floating numbers, we have said they have a decimal in it. For example, if I say y equals 2.5, then we have a complex number. For example, we say z equals to 1j. Let me give 1k. These are the three types of integer numbers that we have in Python. In the next episode, I am going to break all these numbers one by one.